You got the piece out, so I could take this one out.
Flower. Alright, let's put the two.
So what you did to it? In addition, like.
Oh, you gotta shake. Sometimes when it gets stuck, if you have the magnets, it's easier, but you just gotta move it around. Just because this is annoying, you could take this out, but you prefer not to. It's more work. If it's doable like that, might as well just do it. Just do it. Look, super easy. Boom. Hitachi. That's the brand of this one.
Yeah, wait, which way is it?
Yo, you got 6, right, bro?
What?
Take it out. Is that this one?
It's this way?
No, that was. You have more, right? You have more of these?
Yeah, they're in the passenger side.
I was making sure, man. You only gave me $3.
What is that?
This is ignition coils. This is what tells the computer to take off.
Those look like
You gotta just change
they
it.
mess up easily.
If you violate your car, you gotta change it a lot. Nah, look.
Cameraman.
The right parts, right?
So it's a little tight, but you gotta see when we plug everything up.
No, how long is the video gonna be? 2 hours. Got a lot of editing to do, man.
About this one, man.
Yeah, nigga, this one is way darker than
Yeah, see? So it's a good thing I got all 6, right?
Gotta get the rice.
Terrible that one.
Rice on deck.
Yo, you gonna double upload?
Huh?
Double upload?
Yeah, 1.2.
Yeah, you gotta be like, yo, get 500 likes for part 2.
Yo, give me your videos. I'll post them on the Infiniti forums. No, I don't think those are ODM spark plugs anyways.
The spark plugs, NGK?
I mean the ones that were in my car already.
Not Hanshin. Hanshin.
No.
Nah, that shit's a Korean shit. Bro.
Oh no.
Gotta watch out. My car got the Rona.
They fit a little weird, bro.
Tell me this.
Like, you know, look, they don't kind of, you see right here, they don't line up with the whole look inside.
Yeah, I see which one.
So I have to
Oh, no.
push it. I gotta push it a little bit.
Oh, see, I pushed it. There you go.
Nah, the other one fit, but let me see, I gotta push it with something.
Y'all thinking the audio or are you gonna hear the wind?
Nah, that has the mic. Oh. This fucking shit is annoying. Yeah.
Oh, you need a spark plug?
Wait, in that one?
No, in that one. You need it or you got it?
Oh, your phone, you took it out. Yeah, give me a spark plug.
Bro, how you memorize all this shit, bro?
It's hard, bro. But like, it took me like 5 years.
Like, how the fuck you memorize shit in high school, but you memorize shit like this?
That's how you know I love this shit. I love cars.
This nigga, bro.
But in high school, I wouldn't.
This nigga wouldn't even remember a fucking name in high school, bro.
Jeez.
I remember fucking model
Cause
and shit like
he got he's so in
I remember
Infiniti.
shit like this.
He's so in
like,
Infiniti, he got excited.
Bro, you want to put next week a twin car? Yeah, no. I'm gonna fix that shit. this week. Which one were the screws for the ignition coil?
It's this little black one. It's not on them?
This?
Look, this thing comes out, look.
This is like literally aims down. The whole shit, gets the whole shit.
The screws is the hard part.
Yo, how you like them toes, bro? The one that you put
Right here at the tab, right? With the flash on.
That shit will leave you out.
Shit is ass, bro.
Shit, the one that's gonna be the most annoying is this one, bro.
Engine stop.
Cap. Put the other one in there. There's oil in it?
Looks like oil, bro.
I don't think it is.
Boom. Boom.
Yo.
Damn, this shit is crazy hard, man. Okay. Okay. You got two more spark plugs. I mean, one more spark plug and one more. Yo, I'm gonna be tight if this shit don't work, bro, because it's gonna be a. Holy shit, bro. Oh, hell nah, bro.
What? Man, oil in it, right?
Holy shit, bro. It's done.
It's done, eh?
Holy shit.
Oh.
Nah, you gotta go, bro.
Like right now.
Like right now, bro.
Yeah, copy. Yeah, I'm doing it.
Bro, but. Bro, take a picture of this, bro.
A video evidence, bro.
Bro, I don't even think it's gonna work if you put in the new one.
No point, right? So what should I do?
Give me a tissue, bro.
Bro, look at this. Oh my god.
There's no. It's only supposed to be air and
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him.
air and gas in there. No oil.
So what is this oil?
The
What
oil
time is
is.
it? Because they close at 2.
Nah, that's a dub, bro. See? Damn, I need something strong, bro. Bro, but damn, that's a lot of oil, bro. Can barely get in there. I need something skinny. You have something skinny? Skinny ish?
Damn, boy. So what does mean?
I mean that the dead man walking. For real, not for real.
For real?
You a dead man walking, bro. Oh, fuck it, let me finish.
Yeah,
Cause I don't even know how that shit's still running with oil in the fucking.
maybe it's grease. Not oil, for sure, right?
Nah, nigga, that's for C4 looking over here. Oh, yeah, this goes deep, man. Nah, that's definitely oil, bro. Look at that.
How did that happen?
That's oil. Because, look, you see this right here, the plastic, where the plastic ends?
Yeah.
That's where the
Cover good.
this is the valve cover, right?
Yeah.
So from that point and down, that's the engine.
Okay.
So if that valve cover breaks right here, the oil is gonna leak in there.
Okay.
and that's what happened. They probably installed it wrong and it leaked in there.
Yo, how do you know it has that? By checking it?
The oil,
Nah, I mean like, how would you ever know if you never checked it?
And that's fresh.
his engine would have just seized.
Yeah.
Like it would.
So there's no sign of oil in it?
It will lock.
There's no, I mean like there's no lights, nothing?
And it's been running till only thing was a misfire.
I think it was this, to be honest, bro.
That's giving me the misfire.
Now they'll loosen the whole power, and hopefully it didn't get deep enough that it could be bad now.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him.
Bro, you took a good picture of this, bro?
Yeah.
This shit crazy, bro.
Yeah, it's not normal.
Bro, this is real oil, bro. Like, look at this shit.
Now I'm gonna go in there tomorrow.
So I guess all of them had a little bit. That's why I was like, yo, this is grease or oil? Look at that, bro. Holy shit. Give me the last spark plug.
What do you think you two gotta say?
I hope this shit takes over once it turns. Once we turn it over.
Nah, that's all they for. If they say, oh, how can you leaking oil where y'all supposed to fix it, and it hasn't even been 6 months.
They give you a warranty or something? Like,
Yeah, I think they did too. Either way, I'm not paying for that.
yo, that's crazy, bro.
Yo, that's...
Alright, yo. So the last piece. Bro, the box, you put that shit away?
Clickbait.
Alright, so we finally did, replaced everything. As you guys saw, there was a lot of oil leaking from one of the spark plugs here, but that's the dealer's fault that replaced the valve cover.
Yeah.
Who does a bad job at a valve cover? That's the easiest. Well,
No.
this is hard, but
Not really. Not even if you have the drop. If you could lift it up, and you have they have the tools and everything. I get it. It was like this.
If you hesitate too much, bro, I told you gotta cut that out. Stop hesitating.
Yeah, let me put the V out.
you got a red pen.
VTEC. Right here. Since the Honda nigga doesn't.
You gotta switch over to the Honda, bro. Like,
Shit, man. Nah, bro. Honda's on the
don't
field.
do it,
They're
bro.
too small.
bro,
Nah,
get up.
I love
bro.
the luxury. I'm not getting an Acura, bro.
Bro, that's luxury, bro.
Like,
Yo,
my car
exactly,
never sucked my
bro.
own dick.
Yo.
Alright, bro, start it off. Let's see what.
Oh man,
how it sounds.
let's see if it works.
Alright, good.
Test drive.
Let's see if it works.
Let's see how I do.
Let's see it.
Let's see my art of work.
Yeah, so it turned on, you know.
Let's see the wood. Spit out some wood.
For real?
Shit fast, yo. Bro, yours was when he did it, but nowhere near like that, bro.
Bro, cause bro, it's not even his car. Why was he gonna slam it?
You wild, bro.
Bro,
He just broke my gas pedal.
bro, he's in my car, bro. Why I'm not
Him?
letting him do that?
Yeah.
That's stupid.
What do you mean?
Anything good?
Yeah, it's mad fast now. What the
Stronger?
fuck? Bro, I'm dead ass.
Feels right.
Yeah?
It was not running like that, bro.
Feels better?
Yeah, like it's mad quick.
Probably the I think it was the spark plug that got a better.
Yo, get in, bro.
The ignition.
No.
Some policía.
Little shit. You done, bro? Should I cut it off or not? Someone should have cut off the video. Yo, look at that Beamer, bro. Beamer look fire. Oh, yo, how you got that?
So
This
that,
camera look nice.
that's
boy.
how you do it, boy.
Nah, I feel the difference crazy.
So how you feel?
What?
So, you know, I
You
get
know-
the custies.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? My man knows what he's doing. Definitely not going to a dealership. Fuck this.
You know, they fucked up. I still fixed it. Oh, look, we found another one, bro. Bro, I think this is the one that we lost in the first.
Like months ago.
Put that shit somewhere in case you
Yo,
ever
get
need
in,
it.
bro.
Whom-
Take you around the block.
Yo, watch out. Oh, they look.
Yo, what's a good block? Cause this shit's all fucked up.
Just fly over it, bro. Nah, I think if you go past that stop sign, I think over there is good.